Welcome to the C3 Green Technology Hall. Meanwell offers you a complete balcony energy storage system solution. The system consists of solar panels, an energy storage battery, and microinverter, a smart energy meter, and loads. The core principle is that the solar panels convert solar energy into electrical energy and store it in energy storage battery. The DC power from the energy storage battery is converted into stable and reliable AC power through a microinverter, prioritizing the demand for household loads. The surplus electricity is managed by a smart energy meter and fed into the power grid to maximize energy value. The core of the system is microinverter, equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi communication module, supporting real-time monitoring of system operating status, energy flow, and historical data through an APP. With an IP67 level protection design, it is fearless of extreme weather and complex environments, ensuring the stability and reliable operation. One-stop intelligent management and control of residential distributed energy, facilitating a green lifestyle.